So this is a Four Seasons Las Vegas Valley View Suite, right?
Yeah.
And
1,700 square feet. You have your own private kitchenette area. So if you have, someone traveling with you and you want just the food wheeled into this kitchenette area, we can do that. We can also stock the fridge for you. And then you have the dining room table, full work desk. So a lot of guests, if they're working from home now or doing a remote situation, and they can work, maybe send their family out to the pool.
this is like the best desk office area I've ever seen. It is like
Yeah.
perfect. I mean, that's great. And what a really well done living room
So this is
space.
the living room area. And then the bedroom is perfect. So if you're a light sleeper or if you're really, you want to take a nap during the day, it's great because that room gets really dark because you have no natural light in there.
Really, really nice. And then I'll just take a quick peek at the bathroom through here. And this connects back through this way. There's a closet.
Walk-in closet and then the restrooms.
This is really lovely. Nice TV
This
too.
can actually be made into a 2 or 3 bedroom option. So you'll see there is a connector on the other side right here. So this door would open to a king room and then that would connect to another king room.
Awesome. Really, really nice. And great views. It's great for aviation people too, because you've got a,
So watch all the airplanes
yeah.
come in.
No, that's awesome.